guys, what's up? We're gonna do a beach day today. Let you guys see like what we live around and everything. Although it's probably gonna end up storming on us. Like really bad. Terribly bad.
But hey, it's okay. We're still gonna have fun.
Yeah, we're still gonna have fun. Let you guys get a glimpse of what we do. So, okay guys, so right now we just heard thunder and
It's about to pour on us.
it's literally about to pour, but we're still gonna make the best out of it because over there it is like super sunny. So let's get it. Get it to the pretty pier. And there's our little entrance right there. So happy. Woo! It kind of feels good. It feels so good. I might just get in. It feels amazing. Okay, so no, oh my god. So behind us there's lightning and stuff. So we're about to head back to the car just to be on the safe side. I mean, beach day failed, but the thunder, bro. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Holy shit. That is so bad. Welcome to Florida.
It's starting to rain.
Oh my god, bro, it's pouring, bro! My camera! Okay guys, we made it to the car. We're safe. Everything's fine. Except that huge black cloud is now above us and it's starting to pour like never before. Like, I'm pretty sure this is like a tropical storm or something, and like,
Dude, it was way worse yesterday, but I just don't think it's all the way here yet.
yeah, no, it's definitely not. The palm trees are literally going insane right now, so that just means that more rain's coming. But we made it to the car safe, so everything's fine.
Beach day failed.
Yeah, beach day failed, sadly. I wanted to get some sun before school starts, but it's all good. It's all good. It's okay. But yeah, we made it safe. Repeat, it just got a whole lot worse. A whole lot worse.
That was tough.
That was so tough. But we made it back to her house. We're chilling right now. We're probably going to start watching some movies. Beach day failed. Like, completely. We wanted to show you guys just like our casual day at the beach. But
That was nothing casual about that.
I wish it was not storming so much. Like,
But
it's
hey,
storming
I
so
mean,
bad.
They get the gist of Florida, how bipolar it is.
Florida is so bipolar. But we're back at her house. We're safe. It's actually raining like really bad right now. Like terribly bad. But we made it. Everything's fine.
So, we're safe.
I hope you guys liked somewhat of the video. This video is a lot shorter than the other two videos that we have. But that's because our beach day failed. But again, I hope you guys actually like enjoyed that little clip of us at the beach before it started pouring really bad. So, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, comment, all of that stuff.
Tell your parents to watch it. Every time.
You heard the woman. You heard her.
Alright.
Alright.